Hello and welcome to the Rares report for Sunday, July 28th. Overall, over the last 24 hours, markets have gotten softer, although Easter egg prices have remained essentially flat. There's not been a lot of reports of the prices on the forum. You can see that pumpkin prices jumped up for a little bit, but they were staying pretty steady at the lowest prices they've been over this last month. Disc of returning prices didn't have many reported updates, and so the price is stayed flat. It's the same with the half jug of wine. The big and bad news in today's update is that the party hats, many of them have finally actually broken below these levels of a month ago. And that is a very important break to have them go below these prices. It does indicate to me that the market's going to be on its way down for a bit further yet, especially when we review yesterday's video that showed the very long-term one-year charts of the party hats. That really gave me a better feeling of the overall market and got me prepared for seeing this kind of the price breakdown below this, where I've been really looking for prices to go higher and higher yet and wasn't looking at the longest term perspective. Green party hat is also continuing on what is a really steady downtrend all the way along. It's coming down to very significant levels. It hasn't broken below as the yellow party hat has, but it's at such critical levels at the same time as everything else that it's very important to be watching. Red party hat has also showed continuing downtrend over the last week and a half, and sharp downtrend recently, really reaching down to these panic lows from a month ago. White party hat, blue party hat, and Christmas cracker prices stayed the same posted range throughout the last 24 hours. And the excitement continues to build as green Halloween mask comes down to these very critical levels, continuing on a downtrend. When we look at the long one-year trend charts yesterday, that was really clear that we are at a top formation, and this is pretty precarious. And then we had blue Halloween masks start to show higher prices. It's the only thing in all of the markets that showed a break out of this kind of triangle formation to the upside, a little tick. Everything else is breaking down a little tick right now. And when we go on to red Halloween mask, not a lot of price changes in this, stayed pretty steady. Again, drawing out the suspense. And when we go on to Santa hat, here again we were looking at this as a potential sell flag, and that has continued on, now hit at a top where this is bouncing off this price several times. So it still seems to me as a sell flag that's building more momentum. And there you have it for a quick Rares report on Sunday, July 28th. The markets do have many sell signals in them and only one buy signal in the blue Halloween mask.